Hello, every one of you single, beautiful people. I hope you do well. I hope you're doing well. I hope you're doing amazing. I hope you are up there. Happy 4th of July to those who are in America and celebrating that Independence Day. Of course, it's the world's Independence Day, 4th of July. So, part of that, let's make some trade plans, I guess. Yeah. I hope you do well. I hope you do good. And so, welcome to this weekly Forex forecast live session with me, Evan at EvanFX. Happy to help you out, trying to explain the market a bit better than I did last time, and trying to make you even a better Forex trader than you were yesterday. So, I've been trading Forex for about 8 years. So yeah, I hope I have some experience that I can teach you guys to do it even better than yesterday. Machine of trades. So first of all, people, I want you guys to comment which pair you want me to cover today, so we can get that on the go. Cool. First of all. Second of all, happy Sunday. That's all. And then we are going into. Then I need to tell you guys that I do have a free Discord. And where did I put that? I'll put it on my other video. So then we need to go to the other video that I have and find the link here somewhere. Cool. So hope you guys have already seen this video already. Here we have free Discord. I will make that like a, what do you call it? I'll make that a link that everyone can see, and then this one as well. So, weekly forecast. Here we are. Right, happy day. Yeah, use the yen. We can do use the yen. I guess we can do use the yen. Pound dollar and pound yen. I guess we can do pound dollar and pound yen. So first of all, just going to look into a couple of things that I want us to cover today. First of all, I want us to cover today what really has been going on so far, and thinking of a bearish price action there. Okay, cool. Then last one was, yeah, didn't get there, and the previous one. Didn't get that one either. Okay, cool. So what really happens right now is that we are going to go into more of, okay, what is dollar going to do? Okay, what is dollar going to do today? Where is dollar going to go? Are we bullish? Are we bearish? Are we in a range? Are we in a trend? Hello, Magnus. Yeah, I know that. I really envy you, though. I really envy you that you're in Spain at the moment. I would really wish that I could do that too, but currently somebody needs to change you guys to do better Forex traders. So, if we're going into kind of this kind of scenario here where we have price coming up, where we have price coming up, and we have some counter reversal. We are going down again, going down again, going down again, coming into some kind of reversal again, then boom, up. Then what is this then? Is this a continuation higher? Is this bearish? Is this bullish? Current market is currently bullish. How can you say that current market is bullish? So it comes down to the question, higher high or lower low. What do we currently have? Currently we have a higher high. Bingo. Do we have a lower low on 4 hour? This is the previous low. No, we don't. On the 1 hour time frame, do we have a higher high? We have a higher high. But we also have a lower low on the 1 hour chart. So on the 1 hour chart, we are bearish. On the 4-hour chart, we are bullish. On the daily chart, we are currently bullish. So daily equals bullish, 4-hour equals bullish, and or up, and then 1 hour equals down. Okay, weekly could be bearish actually, to be honest. There is no higher high yet, so weekly is down. So currently you have divergence, or two answers to your question, what is the market really? So it really depends. Are you a buyer? Are you a seller? So what I want us to do right now is to think, is this such a good market that we should take a risk to capitalize on the market moves? Or should we be waiting for better setups? Yeah. So since Magnus is bearish on it, I would then go to euro as the equivalent on the opposite side of it, and I would say, okay, so go for the month first. We haven't done monthly to get that, even in the mentorship group. That's kind of my fault. Kind of a double bottom. We have a lower low here. That doesn't mean anything to me. You know, we can still go lower and still reach the target. Okay, that is not indicative of it never going higher. It's just that we need to take less risk at the moment. Okay. So currently, yeah, not higher high yet though on the 4-hour. On the 1 hour and the weekly time frame, we are at M2. We are not that far away from M2, sorry. Take that away. Son, we're not too far away from M2, but I would say here, I would actually advocate for this as possibly being a higher high. If that is considered to be a higher high, or at least an attempt to make a higher high, you are allowed to make this assumption. Double bottom, higher high, higher low, going up. If you then come down to 1798, you are then considered to take your stop loss. You should then be going out. Whatever I'm going to say to this webinar is only my personal opinion, not financial advice, only educational purposes. Sometimes it's also entertainment. Okay, so that's kind of how I would go through it technically. What is the fundamentals telling us? So currently currently America, US, is doing well. Doing very well. Euro, on the other hand, how is Euro doing? Euro is doing somewhat, it's not as good as, it's kind of medium. There is good things and there's bad things in it. So dollar is doing way better than euro at the moment. So fundamentally or economically. So what does that mean for us? And if you look into the COT data for euro and dollar, just for the fun of it, dollar and euro, dollar, euro, we have institutions coming into euro, adding more buyers, adding more sellers, and we're coming into the institutional money here, and we are fairly, I don't know, range bound for the past 3 counts. Or is it 2 counts? 2 or 3 counts? 3 counts. Okay? We have been in a bullish trend up until June, and then we're kind of falling back down again. Are we now turning bearish? So the thing is, if we now have a large drop here, that would be a significant difference. Because if we come there, if you come down to like this level here in the COT or in the COT net, that would say that would be a break of the uptrend. Currently, we're making a higher low, which is okay. But if we start turning lower from here, that is a red flag, okay? Same thing with dollar index. We are currently seeing increase in the buys. So throughout 2021, we have only gone bullish on the CRT, and throughout 2020, we were falling. So we are above the April high on the CRT. Does that bother me? Is that interesting? Well, if we look from historically, from 2018, we have been high around 1st October 2019. So if we go to the charts and look for 1st of October 2019, this is 1st of October 2019. That was the high of dollar bullishness. Okay, and ever since fallen a bit down to January 2021. Does that fit the narrative? So down, and now we're starting increasing again. So what does that mean with, how does that affect my dollar bearishness move? How do I address that in my trading? Do I not trade at all? Do I start hedging and buying dollar whenever it's a bullish trend, or do I continue to sell dollar whenever I can, as long as I have the setup? My answer to that question has been so far, I will continue to look for sells on dollar. I will not stop trading, but I will just take a step back and say, hey, wait a minute. Okay, so on the other hand, if you are a dollar bear, not dollar bull, sorry, if you're looking for shorting your dollar, first of all, your first sell for the month is at 1980. You haven't got there yet. You're very far away from your sells on the month. On the weekly, you are only at the central. And I would also say and advocate for 1900 would be a much better sell for you. So how do you plan out this week? As a seller on euro, this is where you would look to sell, and this is where you would look to sell. I don't know if that's going to happen. It might go straight up, for that matter. It doesn't need to. Okay? But if we look into the seasonality on euro dollar, we are supposed to rise throughout July and peak around August for the past 15 years. For the past 10 years, we have kind of bottomed out in July and ended high. And for the past 5 years, we have really been strong. Okay? And for the past 21 years, we still have risen. So no matter what we do, we still have risen in July. Okay? That's a piece of information you need to have in control right now. What can kind of diverge into different things? NFP was very strong on Friday, relatively at least. The Delta virus is spreading. We have Delta virus in Norway, we have Delta virus in Australia, which has led to lockdowns. We have Delta virus in the UK and throughout Europe, and could make us go back to lockdown any minute, any day, any month. We do have better economic performance in America. We do have a bit of a slowdown in the unemployment, which is the one lagging right now. And we have a potential peak in manufacturing. Where does all of these indicators lead us to? So far, this has led us to dollar strength. Is this going to continue, or is this going to fade? My answer is not clear. Hello, Mohammed. My answer to my questions is still probably the boring thing that I've ever always told you guys. Follow your bias, report to me or to whoever on your findings. Were you right? Were you wrong? Because this situation is probably unique, but remember, there is a future. You need to know this for the future. If you ended up in the same situation yet again, what are you gonna do? If you get another crisis, if you get another financial crisis, what are you gonna do? If you get another earthquake, if you get another oil catastrophe, if you get another hurricane in the Mexico Gulf, what are you gonna do? You need to have your plan plot out, okay? So currently I'm collecting data as to what my plan should be in the future. I currently have a plan of dollar bearishness, but okay, cool. And currently that is going half decent. So yeah, this is kind of what I hope for this week. Probably, you know, somehow it goes higher in the end. New Zealand dollar, please. What else was it? It was USD yen and pound dollar. Okay. Okay, for New Zealand dollar, you have a fantastic run on Friday. You have a higher high on the 1 hour. You have a higher high on the 4 hour, and you have a higher, no, higher on daily. Okay, 4 hour and 1 hour, you have a higher high. Straightforward, straight out of the book. Straight out of business. There's your buy zones. Between here and here. This is your buy zone. Hopefully get price a bit lower. Your stop loss is below 69.50 and 70 is here. So probably around here is where you're gonna get your buys for next week. Is this bearish? No. Could it fall? Yes, it can. Where would you look to sell it? I wouldn't sell it, but around here maybe. Hey, for Oz, gold please. Yeah, we can do a gold ingot. Okay. So today we have 25 people watching right now. Thank you very much for being here. We have 10 likes for it. Ooh, nice. But also, I've turned off the likes and now turned off the ads for today, just for you to, you know, appreciate that I don't exploit you all the time, just sometimes. All right, so 50 pips stop loss. Remember to have a half a normal lot size, and whatever you do, don't lose money this summer. Okay. So if you feel like you're going to lose money this summer and you lost some trades, just leave it. I need you ready, willing, and able in August. Okay? 1st of August, by the way. That's when I need you. Euro New Zealand in the same breath. I can't remember when I said it. I should probably go back on my videos and find that. But I said I was looking to short it here. And I said 1st of July. I remember that. 1st of July. Sell. And 2nd of July it sold off. Made a new lower low. This is now your new sell prices of 169.50-ish. 169.16-ish. Going down to 67.50-ish. And that is my sell. And then coming in for the monthly as well, just for the checkup. Monthly. There it is. Coming down into monthly price target of 69 or 67. And if it hits 67, I'm going to get out of there pretty hard, pretty strong. And if it comes down to these prices, I will look for a reversal going higher around 21st of July. Okay, now you know all my trade plans. Boom. Always plan ahead, brothers. Always plan ahead. I can check if I mentioned something about it. But always cool. Euro New Zealand. Search for Euro New Zealand. Joe has talked about Euro New Zealand only. Okay, that was in the wrong chat, by the way. Okay. Not lately. Not lately. And then you're New Zealand in that channel. I've only made it back in back in January. That's when I made a trade plan on New Zealand. Well, okay. I thought I'd made a trade plan about it, but apparently not. That's pretty bummer on me there. That's my own fault. It's pretty bad. I must have done that in my sleep or something, or I must have not mentioned it with words. But okay, whatever. Letting go. Hi, mate. Okay, so going back to what you guys want to see instead of what I want you guys to see. So I'm going, like, the reason why I made that and did that is because I'm supposed to be here and tell you guys what to do. Or not what to do, but what to look for. Even though you want to do euro pound, even though you want to do pound dollar, and all those, you know, normal things, I need to tell you guys what to do. Okay. Hello, boss. You're late. You're late, mate. Why did you go, mate? Why are you late? And oh yeah, where's the other mate? Where is that mate? I was supposed to talk to you today. Where did you go? Where are you? Yeah. Did you guys see my haircut? I did a haircut. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah. Nick saw it, so thank you. Anyways, pound. What is this? Was ist das? Das ist eine Buy-Zone. Das ist die Purchase-Zone. Und dies ist eine Sell-Zone. Just thinking of it. Is it weekly sell zones or is it monthly sell zones? Weekly. Whoops. What's wrong? Oh, nice. Almost. Okay. Interesting. I found the R instead of the sell zone, but okay, cool. So this is kind of what I wanted you guys to do. I want you guys to wait for London Open, hopefully, if you get it, and wait for that, and then wait for like almost M2-ish, and be like, this is what I want. If I don't get it, I won't take it. Don't be greedy. Don't buy in here for the love of God. And you should be very selective. Okay, cool. So buying down here. That's kind of your plan going up to 140, give or take. The other plan here is for the sellers, and you guys are like, I mean, why are you so you said it's going to go higher, but why are you making some sell plans? Because somebody believes it, and it's absolutely valid. But I think it's going to go higher, so I'm going to trade that. Okay, cool. Yeah, like you started late, mate. Yeah. What about the pivot rules video? When do you think you can upload it? Ooh, guys. Did I? Oh, okay. Here we are. Abbas. Can I try it tomorrow? Tomorrow? Do a deal? Do a date? Tuesday, Monday, Tuesday, half. I'm so super busy. Okay, you can punch me. Okay, can I get a... Okay, we can make a deal. Okay, bro. Okay, we can make a deal. So, do you subscribe to my YouTube membership, student, like for $5 a month? That costs you one coffee, you know? I know you live in an expensive country. So, if I do it tomorrow on Monday, I get a subscription from you, and if I do it on Tuesday, I can't give it for free, by the way. I don't control those things even. I don't think I give memberships either. Can I? Just thinking, can I give you memberships? Become membered. Nah. Probably not. Oops. You were not supposed to see that, you know what? Yeah, not. No, I can't. So do we have a deal? Now, as a pivot point video, I really struggle with it because I've done it so many times now. It's what do you call a legacy video, so I want to make it as good as I can with the best kind of flow and all those things, so it can just be there forever, you know. So it's like nice flow, it has nice cuts, it has nice music, like it. Sorry, you know, it takes time. But yeah. Anyways, what about what's the TNRT node? TNRT node is still rising, I guess. Oh, it fell. All right, so range. Happily is looking. All right. Cool. So we don't have a deal. Okay. Pound, dollar, pound, yen. Yeah, I know. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, people. Please have my forgiveness. No, please forgive me. Please have mercy. I'm trying not to ruin my karma. Okay, pound yen. Sell, buy. That's what I see. Yeah. So technically, this is the buy and sell zones. Yeah. This is kind of the equivalent to the buys monthly. But yeah, still. Mankan, how are you? I'm doing very well, thank you. I'm doing very well. I need to start laughing. Abbas, make me laugh, please. I don't want to be grumpy. Grumpy, you know. Does anyone notice my brand new shirt today? Or is it like, or we're not homies like that? You don't notice that? Wait. That was a dance break, by the way. Oh yeah, that was a great one. Cool. Probably check it out by down. Yeah. What's your buy? There's your buy. There's your sell. You do what you do. You do what you need to do. You do your thing. You do your necessary things and put your stop loss below here, a stop loss above here, and thinking of reselling, thinking of rebuying. Boom, trade plan in 2 seconds. Lot size 0.5%. So if you do math, you know, you go to a calculator, you know, you times whatever your account size is, whatever it is, and times 0.005, multiply by whatever your account size is, and that's your lot, and that's your stop loss should be. Okay, so if you have 1,000, give or take, I don't know if you have 1,000, hopefully you have 1,000. you have $5, meaning you can have a 0.01 lot with 50 pip SL. That is your lot size for the summer. All right, what else? Great. Pound dollar, pound yen, looking for it to buy. It's kind of in between. It's a bit difficult at the moment. Okay, something funny. People asking in the forum today, I saw why market not moving, and the same guys during trading days shouting bye-bye and sell. Yeah. Nobody told them that this summer and market change and people have left the building. No, we are just... The reason why I'm here, brothers and sisters, ladies and gentlemen, is not because I am literally going to trade. I'm here because of you, okay? I'm literally because of you here. There's nothing in the market for me today. I can just come here for 5 minutes, enter my orders, add market open, and I'm done. Okay? And I'm like, adios amigos. Okay? That's me. So I'm like, this is like me today. Euro pound, sorry. Jesus. Okay, how are we? 2032. Okay. People, how is the connection today, and how is the clarity? It's supposed to be 1080p today. I really checked it today. So you guys should be seeing me crystal clear. You can see all my cracks, not my back crack, but all my imperfections today. Right? You good on that? So, euro pound. Euro Aussie, I will do that. So, for those who want to get their mentorship students are not, the YouTube members are not here today. Interesting, but if you are a YouTube member, I will look at your comments first. That's all. Just all. I don't know, am I selling you a $5 thing where you get fundamental analysis every Sunday, almost every Sunday? Trying to at least. I don't know. I would have done it. It's just $5. So, what's a $5 for me? $5 for me is a coffee cup. Not a big coffee cup. Norway's expensive. How much does a coffee cost in Norway? Tea and coffee cost around 20 to 30. That's not true. That is absolutely wrong. It costs 37. So if we go to this one and put in 37 to American dollars, it's $4. So it's a coffee. So it's a coffee latte probably-ish. Okay, that's what it costs you a month. That's all. For absolutely max value, I would say. And if I'm supposed to do that for a course for you, I'll probably charge you around 1,000. So you choose. Buy and sell in a range. Sell, sorry, not there. So, in a range, you sell here, and you buy here, or you buy here, depending. Okay? Adios. So, yeah, that's your pound. Where's it gonna go? Range trading. That's what it does. That's what you do. That's what you're gonna do. That's what you're gonna do when they come for you. See? R1, S1. R1, S1. R1, S1. R1, S1. R1, S1. There's one day when actually went to target. R1, S1. R1 didn't fail. R1, S1 held for some time at least. So, those are the prices you look for. R1, S1. Crystal clear! You're a VIP commentator. That's what you are. Hello, Javid. Somebody asked for it, Abaz. Don't say skip just because you felt like skipping. Euro Aussie. I have a feeling for your lamb. I have a feeling for you that that is not going to go good for you. Okay. We do have a range. So coming into R1, S1, buy, no sell, buy, done, nothing else. Adios, amigos. R1, 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 S1, 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 S1. Sorry, that was wrong. Nope, still not. S1, 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 S1. R1, 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 R1. Okay, what did I do? I just told you the support and resistances in a range where we're normally range bound, range trading. And it kind of does hold sometimes. So, interesting, fair enough. What are you going to do now? I don't know. You tell me. Okay? Good? Good. BTC. We're doing BTC. No, are we doing BTC now? Is this a good time to do BTC? Mexico. USD. Great, you saw it. I don't do Mexican anymore. Mexican. Some want this to fall, some want this to break this one, going back up again, then down. That was the USD. Eurozar. USD still hasn't broken 1420, so it's still somewhere in between. Maybe sell it, maybe. I'm not here for the forecast, I'm here for the banter. What's banter? Banter. I need to banter. What's banter? I need to Google that. Banter. For the playful and friendly exchange of teasing remarks. Okay. That cool. You know, I love that. I love that, Farah. That I've done something in this world where people come to me for laughter, joy, and Forex markets. Yeah, silver, bro. Magnus, you have to speak your mind. Just don't be Scandinavian. Okay, I need to kill the music. I'm just gonna think twice. Okay. So people, why does the Norwegian, the Swedish, is it Danish as well? Maybe. So at least Norwegian and Swedish marine vessels, why do they have a barcode on their starboard? I think it is starboard side, so the right side of the ship. Why do they have barcodes on them? Does somebody know? The reason why they have barcodes on the ship, on their marine ship, is because they Scandinavian in. They yeah, Scandinavian. Yeah. Learn us how to hunt and not take fish. Okay, cool. Whatever. Cool. Joe is still here with us. He's still not drunk. Still not drunk, and he's still not deep dived into his food, his 4th of July food. You know. What's going on here? Okay, so for silver, I think that's a new higher high. I can take that. I would have a couple of prices for you then. I would then say that price and that price. That is just pure price action. Buy and buy. Way more bullish than gold. And just remember to have your stop loss at least at 25.80 or lower. Take 1% risk or less. But first sign is up. First go. First goes go. We are the aggressive already gone. Okay, good. Then we can go higher. Let's see. If it goes lower, cool, we tried. Yeah, I will show you my rules, bro. Don't worry. So yeah, silver. So how far is it gonna go? maybe until August or September, depending. 1st of August we will do a check. 1st of September we'll do a check, and probably around monthly TP, somewhere around there. Yeah, true. You're welcome. So, Magnus, you are... I don't know if you're ready to go, but I would be ready. Okay, so here we have USD yen. Great. Thumbs up on that one. So, boom. Okay. So, what is this? This is support. We have support. We have buy price around 111. We have at 120, 110.70. Is this bearish, you might ask? Not at all. Not yet. Maybe. It's currently for the bull because we, on the 4 hour, haven't broken below 110.50. So, until then, we can't do anything. But until you want to be very aggressive, you know, you want to be naughty, eh? You're naughty. You're teasing me. Okay. You can look for a sell around this price, not because it's a pivot point, but it's a double top, lower high situation, and there is always supply, whatever you call it now up there, around 11.33. Okay, that's all I have to do. Stop loss above previous high. That's all. If you do what you're gonna do, you do what you're gonna do. But I'm not gonna make it. Okay. So do gold, please. Do gold. I'm not. I'm waiting for a guy from India here. He's not coming today, so I can't make fun of him. He's an awesome dude. Hardik. Hardik is like, no, I don't talk like that. No. But why are you talking like that? Who knows? Anyways, Bitcoin, BTC. Joe, do you have kind of analysis here? Can you guys hit me up somewhere? I'm just gonna check your USD, by the way. I need to check your USD 4 hour, and then let's see if you guys can see that. Great. Ooh. Okay. That's interesting. Oh, again. Oh, it wouldn't work. Okay, cool. But this one then, does this work? Yeah, it broke above here though, so it didn't break on the first two. Okay, so I guess it's an invalid. It's not a valid move then. Yeah, probably. Okay. Anyway, it's just a new thing I'm working on. That's all. So you just saw some interesting things. You're welcome. Where was I going to do? Use the yen? I was going to use the yen. No, BTC. Oh, BTC. Short-term memory, Alzheimer's. Okay. So. Does this look familiar? With you boys and girls? Does this look familiar? So can we Google Bitcoin seasonality now? Is that a thing even? Okay, cool. Okay. Also, for me right now, it's range bound. So there's no market here. There's no market. Morgan Stanley sold 90 on CAD yen. Okay, interesting. The mutton curry. Currently I'm out of my position trading because it's the end of the season and we don't have bullish momentum on euro at the moment. But yeah, I'm planning to in August. Oscar. If it doesn't break the first three, is it a false break? I don't know what you mean. That's a thing I've never heard about, Farah. Yeah, you're waiting for 36.65. That's a local higher high, but no, not 4-hour higher high. So you can still just do that, though, bro, and still hold 30,000. So it's basically stuck between 40 and 30. And I think that we might break lower. I'm not saying it should, it will, but it can. It's kind of my gut feeling. If it breaks higher, yay, we won. But if it goes down, at least we planned for it. How is the market going to react if Biden loses his ability to speak? Do we have technology here to? You can just text. You know, you can just give him what is he died? What's that guy called? It's not Charles Darwin. The guy in a wheelchair that only speaks with his eyes. What's that guy called? It's not Darwin. It's still lives. It's a Berlin guy, by the way, but I can't remember what his name is right now. So I don't want to trade. I don't want to trade Bitcoin at the moment. Not day trading, or not weekly trading at least. Okay, we're coming into gold. Is there any gold diggers here? Is there any gold? Anyone on gold? Gold, anyone? Muhammad says, "Can you please make it short?" I'm sorry. Do I talk too long? I'm sorry. I can do it fast. I can do it very fast. No worries. I can do it very fast, and I will do nothing. Don't trade. What else? Okay, cool. I'm done. Okay, bye-bye. Adios. I'm done. Okay. Try to make me short. You want me to do it short? I'm done. Stephen Hawking's. True. Yeah, Stephen Hawking's. If you're looking for buys on gold, you need to make a higher high. You don't have it right now, so you can't buy it. If you want to sell it, you can probably sell it. I don't know if you should sell it, and I wouldn't sell it, but it's up to you. Okay, cool. You guys said, please keep it short. I'm making it short. And now you're saying no? Like, dude, guys, you guys are demanding today, right? So, okay, I'll stop having fun then. Yeah, kind of like that situation. And until then, yeah, cool. You need to have patience, people. Don't always rush it. Yeah, I can call it a night. Okay, that was she said. Bin Ziad says, "Can you tell me I have an open short position on BTC at 32,000? Should I exit? Should I hold? I don't do such stuff. But if you're holding, nah. Okay, I'm not going to give you any financial advice whatsoever. But I can tell you this one for free. I wouldn't take the trade. Okay, I wouldn't take the trade. That's what I would say about that." Learn on the grow. Why are you always drinking? Because I'm an addict. Like, what else? Okay, cool. Like, bro, like, really? Am I gonna get called out for drinking now? Like, dude, you see me every live drinking. You guys are funny. Okay, for those who wondered, if you've been speaking for 50 minutes without drinking, your throat will be dry. So I drink something, water, coffee, or Pepsi Max, because my throat gets dry because I'm talking so much. It's human, I think it's called. I think that's the word, human. Okay? So, if you guys are gonna attack me for my drinking problems, do I need do I need to sign up for AA? Anyone? Sheesh. No, I'm not drunk now. I'm just happy, positive person, trying to make some content for you guys, trying to lift up your life, trying to make you guys come to my life because I'm laughing, having fun, sharing knowledge with you, and trying to be as sober as I can in my views, so that you guys don't do anything stupid, and still make good trip plans. Okay, so oil. I think there was some oil news over the weekend. Was it? I forgot to do it. Like somebody accepted or started to increase. Somebody wanted to increase their. Okay, the United Arab Emirates blocked a final deal. Long story short, is the country wants a greater share of the output. A negotiation with oops. And this is the reason why I drink. And negotiations were centering around 40,000 barrels of increased production in August. That's not a lot. It's something small. Then the same increase each month throughout to and including December. It is not agreed. 40,000 barrels is not a lot, right, people? I think the daily turnaround is, what is it, 20 million? So if you have 20 million and you're gonna get 20, so I guess it's 0.4 divided by 20 or something like that. So it's 2% difference. Well, it is something, but it's not a lot. And is it monthly or is it daily? Yeah, it's a monthly maybe. So if it's monthly, it's like a piece of in the ocean. So that's not really relevant news anymore. Market is not scared of the new 85,000 new jobs. S&P 500 crossed at the level of record high. Russia recommended delaying OPEC talks by 1 to 2 days. USD can't get enough liftoff to crack the cluster of resistance. UAE has agreed to 1 month delay in the making of the decision. VTI futures at whatever. Yeah, okay, whatever. Cool. So, I wanted to look some oil news. No, it's not Coca-Cola, no, bro. It's Pepsi Max. I did love Coca-Cola, but then I started drinking Pepsi Max instead because I was getting fat, and then it wasn't the same drinking cola again. It's very, yeah, I tried Coke. Yeah, I think I drink X White and try and smoke just Coca-Cola. I don't smoke though. I don't use snus either. For those who know what that is, we're fine with you drinking here. It's just don't pee. I'm not peeing, bro. So currently, Mohammed told me to be brief. Bullish at the moment. This is support. This is where you buy. Okay, can you sell? No. Sell? No. Don't sell it. There's nothing to sell here. If you want to sell it, you need a lower low, lower high situation, kind of like that. On the 1 hour, you need a probably low on that low, low on that low, and then kind of that situation. So either here or here. This is the aggressive, this is the conservative, and I will probably go with that one. Okay? Nej, alltså... I'm not ready to lay out my plans right now, Oscar. It's not totally finalized. But I'm gonna look into building a portfolio of yen, dollar, gold, and some oil. going mostly to look at monthly entries around August. So what I'm thinking for oil, for example, I think we're gonna fall the first week, first day, 1st of August, and then pick it up either in 2nd, 3rd week of August, or 1st of Sept. Should be either this or this. So what's the scenario for oil that I'm looking into? For example, is this scenario here where you have 3rd of August. That probably is a monthly buy zone, by the way. Yeah, that's a monthly buy zone. So I would take that any day of the week. Okay, or this one even. And then up to target. I will take half here and then let go of the rest. That means this one's would have been break even. I would then wait for it to retrace again. And I would say that would then be my buys again. And I will try it again. See if that works. Didn't work again. Buy it again. Probably until the end it works out. And then once November came, it really went, you know, full. This was because of this was because of the election. And then 3rd week around here. Oops, sorry. Do I look to buy around here? No, this is not a buy. This is a sell. This is a buy. This is a buy. This is probably a buy too, but probably stop loss. Buy and then buy. So yeah, it's difficult. That's on oil though only. So what we just watched, and that's kind of what I'm going to need to go through. Am I going to hold for the month, and or am I going to hold for the year? I don't know. That's kind of what I'm needing to look into. I don't know. As if I can get like minimally 2 or 3 per asset, that would probably be a good one. And then 2 or 3 per asset in August. That's around 10. That's 30. Is it that? It's Aussie, Euro, Pound, New Zealand, CAD 5. Aussie, Euro, Pound, New Zealand, USD CAD 5, 10, gold, oil, that's 12. 12 times 3 is 36. But yeah, probably around 30. Yeah, probably around 30. Probably 30 to 40. But yeah, as good as I can, and yeah, hopefully will pay off. Thank you, Sish Mohammed. Dollar Bear. Any WIFU New Zealand dollar? Oil. Yeah, sorry, oil. So oil has a target of 78, sorry. It's still OP, so if it comes to this price, around this price, you probably want to get out. And then you will need to look for buy again at 72 or 70. Okay, cool, great. Boom. New Zealand dollar is buy at 670.24. No, around 70 or 69.80. That's not a signal or whatever. It's just what I want to look for. Buy. Okay, cool, great. On New Zealand dollar, looking to buy. I'm looking to buy. That's the only way I'll do. Yeah, milk. So what else? S&P 500. S&P 500 comes up to this price, still hasn't come down yet, so I'll just move on. Cool, straightforward. Needs these prices, need these prices, don't have the prices. Nasdaq doesn't have the prices I want, so I will move on. And coming into US 30. Oh, look at that, brothers and sisters. Oh, it came down to your buy price. Ooh, nice. Hot. That's hot. Thank you very much, Fado. What else? USD Swissy, last thing here. Coming into the monthly sell, monthly take profit for USD Swissy. If you're gonna buy this one, I'm probably gonna give you a hard time if you don't buy it until this prices on the monthly, and then weekly. You can probably buy it again now, but I won't do it. I won't do it. We were up here on Friday on the live with Trader Nick and on NFP, and then we fell down again. So you should be out if you're a buyer, and hopefully make price come lower. I would probably buy here and not in this area here, but it is what it is. Okay, I've been here for 1 hour, one solid hour with you today. What am I looking at? Euro dollar buy, New Zealand dollar buy, Euro New Zealand sell, give or take. Don't expect much from the market. Be appreciative of 50 pips or more. Probably day trade. Look for if you have a good one from London sessions. Take it and leave it and let the market do whatever it wants to do. Don't fight it. Don't come for me and say you said this and this and this. Whatever I told you, only my personal opinion. I don't know what's going to happen for the future. You make the best trade plans you can ever make. Document them, go through them, learn from them, come back next year, do it better, do it better, do it better. That's how you are going to improve. My name is MINDBLOWING. I'm a Forex trader for 8 years. Thank you, good night, and have a great day. Boom.